Many of you will also have some queries that if I know a particular maritime training institute and I just wanted to know what different courses does this MTI institute or this training institutes conduct, and whether this particular institute conducts that particular course which I was supposed to do or which I am doing. So that is one query. And the second query was, I want to do this course but I am not sure which institute provides this course. So you see, so two sides of the same query, one from the other end and one from this end. So let's particularly take this query and find out the answers directly on the DG Shipping website.
So we will go to the same dgshipping.gov.in website, and we will be going to the maritime training link, and over here you can see these two links over here: approved training institutes and list of approved courses. So both are interlinked as well. Click list of approved courses over here, and then we will go to the entries, and you can see that there are total 98 courses over here. And if I just 3 letters, and wherever you can see ENG written, all the courses you can see. So especially I'm interested in this particular course number 84, that is your refresher and updating training course for all engineers. I've just taken that example, but since there were a lot of queries in the previous videos regarding your COC revalidation, etc., so over here it's a 3-day course, and just check what happens. It is the training offered by which institutes. So these are the institutes, right? So here there are 22 institutes nationwide, all over India, which gives you the refresher and updating training course for all engineers. So in similar way, we can find out that which all institutes are doing it for PSCRB, which are institutes are doing it for PSCRB refresher, advanced firefighting refresher, or only the advanced firefighting, etc., PST refresher, like that. So over here you can see this particular blue triangle. So this is like a filtration process or a sorting out process. So let's see that I will arrange that with respect to the alphabetical orders for the state. So the first state is A, Andhra Pradesh, all the way down to West Bengal. So if a person who wants to do it from Chennai, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 institutes which offers in Chennai, 2 in Kerala, Cochin place, and 5 of them from Navi Mumbai area. So this particular link is going to be helpful in order to find out which are the approved institutes over here, along with the official MTI number, which is not required, but yes, the address over here is very much required. And now as mentioned before, that how the two things are related with each other, I have gone through the courses. So if I select any one of them, so let's select OERC Academy or the Institute of Marine Engineers of India over here, and then if I click that what all the courses are offered, so I am taking this as the information that I want to know, that what IMEI Nerul Mumbai is offering, what all courses are being offered other than the RUT course for your revalidations. So you will be able to get to know which all the courses IMEI is conducting right now. You can go through this particular list by self. by following the links as mentioned in this particular video. And the same thing goes with the approved training institute, that I know that this particular institute is there, right? So let's say that I have with me is BP Marine Academy, or we have College Columbus, we have Coral Maritime, Belapur, Maharashtra, and so here courses offered and course approval letter. So we will see that in Coral Maritime Institute, which all courses are being offered over here. So it works very nicely. You can easily find out from the institute which all courses are there,